Hello from Seattle. Microsoft Build 2024 is starting tomorrow, so here is a list of 10 sessions you shouldn't miss on day one of the conference. First off, of course, is the opening keynote, which will be setting the theme for the whole conference, and that theme will be AI. So if you want to know how Microsoft is planning the next year of AI developments, definitely don't miss the keynote. After the keynote, there is a session called Introducing the Next Generation of Windows on ARM. And this one will be focusing on the new Windows on ARM devices powered with ARM chips and NPUs. So this will be focused on how developers can utilize these devices to the max and bring their applications to these devices. Next, there is a session that's kind of close to my heart because as a WinUI developer of Windows applications, and also developer on Uno platform, which brings Windows applications everywhere. This session will be focusing on how you can improve your applications using WinUI free, and it's going to be focusing on title bar experiences, navigation view, and so on. So definitely interesting one to see. Next up, there is a session that's happening at the same time actually, so I will probably watch this one online. It's Maximize Joy, Minimize Toil with great developer experiences. And this session will be focusing on how Microsoft is improving developer experiences across the board. So definitely interesting one to see. There is going to be Amanda Silver speaking as well. So very interesting session. Definitely, I'm looking forward to it. At the same time as well, so this is a very packed time slot, is Inside AI Security with Mark Russovich. This one will be focusing on how Microsoft is improving AI security, focusing on how they are protecting AI systems against backdoors, poison data, prompt injection attacks, and so on. So very interesting one if you're interested in AI. Next, there is a session called Unleash the Superpowers of the AI PC. Again, kind of follow up to the announcements from today, which were about the new range of AI-driven PCs. So this will be about how AI models are running directly on the metal on the PCs themselves, and how developers can utilize those models in their applications. Next, there is developer experience improvements in Windows. I'm looking forward to this one because this will be about how developers can improve their productivity with all the different tools and applications that are now built into Windows. So it's going to be about Windows Subsystem for Linux, Winget, Windows Terminal, DevHome, PowerToys. So it's going to be very packed with interesting tidbits about productivity, which is something I really like. Next, there is a session about building on LLMs, and it's going to be about how GitHub Copilot was built. So I'm really interested to see how what Scott will be talking about here and how they brought the GitHub Copilot to life. Unfortunately, this session will be only in Seattle. It's not going to be recorded, but I will try to make some summary of what I learned when I go there. Then there is a session about app innovation in the AI era. It's going to be about the costs, benefits, and challenges of building AI-driven applications. So if you are planning to infuse your application with some AI, this is a kind of interesting session that will explain all the challenges and all the tricky things that you need to watch out for when you're building AI-driven applications. And finally, the Day one will end with a session called Use AI for Real Things in Your Windows Apps. And this will be specifically focused on Windows application development, and you will be able to learn on how you can improve your Windows applications with some AI capabilities. So definitely interesting session to watch out for as well. So I hope this summary was useful to you, and I will be looking forward to day one of Microsoft Build, and will be bringing some semi-live coverage from the event. So if you want to get notified about those videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.